getting this house done, man. Look at him. Professional. What is up, my Back to Life family? A lot of work going on here at my dad's house. I can't wait to show you all the progress that's happened in this video itself. So much has happened here. As you can see, a lot of dirt work's been moving around, a lot of brick is done, all these gutters. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. This is absolutely just a phenomenal job site. I will tell you that we are excited. My dad is excited, and you'll see that throughout the video here. But why don't we just jump right in? I don't want to slow you up. I want to show you the processes. Let's jump right into this video and just enjoy the process. Alrighty, y'all, now that the weather's cleared up, I wanted to give y'all a better representation of what it actually looks like out here and show you what's actually been done. The gutters actually got installed, which look absolutely dope on this house, matching that brick color and stuff. I'm trying to walk through here. I got some Yeezys on, so I don't really want to get all muddy. But yeah, these black gutters right here just make this house look like a little castle, if I'm being completely honest with you. But as you see it right there, looks really awesome. The brick's all done through here. Got the soffits painted, which you see through there. And the colors just look amazing. We got some beautiful limestone right there above one of the garage doors. Same thing's gonna happen over there. Gonna be a bunch of limestone, then a bunch of brick. You see the limestone right here. It's really nice. This is the inside of it, but good looking stuff. We got stone right there. This is really going to be I don't know if it's the right word, saying a pretty house. I don't know if that even sounds right. It's gonna look really good. As you can see, that limestone right there. Then you got the copper right there, and you see the black gutters that got installed. It looks really good with the black windows. My dad's really excited about it, and we can't wait for him to finally be able to utilize this thing. It's gonna be fun. He's gonna enjoy it. Gonna be a lot of grandkids running around and whatnot. But here, why don't I give y'all another little walk around and show you how it looks. Alrighty, y'all, check it out. So my dad finally finished all the brick, and it looks absolutely freaking beautiful. We got a door in right here. That looks dope. And it's just going really well. We're gonna put some stone right up front right there, and the copper is getting a really nice color right here. And it's getting just great progress, I will tell you that. My dad actually did the floor upstairs, so I'm gonna get a key and head in right here. Alrighty, coming in the house, looking darn good. Got some tools everywhere, but again, y'all have seen that trim. The fireplace itself right there is finally getting finished up. Oh my goodness, what is there, like a party going on in here? Somebody must have been sitting by this fire, because yep, look at it, been used. Beautiful. Can't wait to see oh look, we even got some good air in here, so it's nice and climate controlled. Can't wait for the painters to come in here. They finally had a meeting, so they're gonna come knock that out. But let's see what this upstairs looks like with the floor done. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty right there, man. What is this? Do these work? Oh wow, the lights even work. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. All the flooring done by my dad himself. Once they stain it, paint it, everything is gonna look really good. Man, y'all, this place is really coming along. I'm excited for my dad. My dad's super duper excited. I know he can't wait. It's just, construction takes time. Sometimes I get these comments on YouTube, and they're like, when's the house coming? When is it gonna be done? I'm like, whoa, what might take 2 or 3 months of work gets put into one video that's like 5 to 20 seconds long. So I show you everything done, and it just takes time. So that's what the thing about construction is. So I hope you guys are enjoying this process. My dad definitely is. He's burning wood and hanging out in here and everything. So hopefully that you guys are enjoying it. And he can't wait to move in. So as soon as he does, you guys are gonna get to see that too. This place is beautiful. Y'all, and what's pretty cool about this place is it's so quiet out here. Like, you got little squirrels running around. There's no other houses here yet. It's just gonna be this one in this particular area right here. So You got this right here, and then nothing yet. There's gonna be one more starting across the street, I believe, but it's just calm and quiet, and he's gonna have his own like peace, and he's just gonna be chilling. Oh man, my dad's excited. We're excited for him. I'm ready for him to live here and just be able to just enjoy his home. Definitely a dream home for sure. So hope you guys are enjoying the process. Keep following along. I'm bringing you more content as soon as I can. Alrighty, y'all, a lot of progress going on here. As you can see, we got down the mesh that they're gonna be pouring, and you see they got the outside of what the driveway is going to be right there, and it's going to be poured soon. This is absolutely crazy to see. You got the limestone right there, you got that brick done, they're almost done with the porch right there. This is good stuff right here, man. Look at this. Oh man, this house is beautiful. You know, we got Pops and the Bobcat right there. Look at that. Yes sir. Getting this house straightened out, looking good. Oh yeah, getting this house done, man. Look at him, professional. Yes sir. House is looking really good, really good. Good sunshine when the weather gets really good here in Chattanooga. So we got the limestone getting done, as you can see right here. They're already done with the outside of the porch right there, and they're going all the way up to the gable. It's gonna be beautiful. The house looks absolutely amazing. Beautiful brick, beautiful copper all along the top there. Oh yeah, a lot of tools out here too. I think we got the tile man inside too. Yeah, that's his car. Jake the Snake, what's going on, brother?
I'm good. How are you, man?
Oh, I'm just filming some of this beautiful little home right here, man. Where are you working on the tile at?
Where at?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just doing the underlayment right now.
Oh.
I'll try to focus today just to do the underlayment today.
Oh, because this whole thing is going to be tiled. Yeah. Oh, I forgot, yeah.
Oh, man.
That's going to be kind of cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty big pieces too.
You excited? You like doing that kind of stuff?
I don't mind, honestly.
This looks good, man. This looks beautiful right here.
Look, the one on the inside.
Oh,
Okay, that one.
got to. Oh, wow. But this looks good too, though.
I built that one from the scratch, from leftover piece.
Oh, you're a professional. 2 times. It's beautiful. Look at this. A lot of progress happening in the house, as you can see. They got all the limestone outside getting done. All these floors in here are going to be heated, so they've already applied the top layer for when the tile goes on top of that. We're super duper excited. My dad is. This is beautiful. I mean, just look at this place once it's done and painted. Oh my goodness. So just to give you an update on the outside, we got these sidewalks formed right here. It's looking absolutely beautiful. The driveway looks amazing, and the sidewalk goes all the way down, as it's gonna go all the way around to all the other houses that are put through here. The limestone on the outside came out absolutely beautiful. I mean, goodness gracious, look at this. It's like a little fortress. It looks beautiful. Limestone on the inside. Y'all saw limestone on the inside of the actual house as well, but there it is in the front porch. And this house just looks better and better with every single day, because putting in this kind of effort, putting in this kind of quality really helps in the long run. It's absolutely amazing. We can't wait for it to be done. My dad literally cannot wait. He's itching to be done. This is amazing, and we're glad that you're watching the progress. Alrighty, so the sidewalks got poured right here. This is good stuff, moving right along in the right direction. And this house is about to be finished. They're putting up beams inside right now. I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that right there. So as you walk in right here, this is like the big family room where everybody's gonna be hanging out. But right now they're putting up the beams, as you can see right there. And then I'm gonna point right here for you so you can tell where it's gonna go all the way across. It's gonna look really, really good once it's all done. Alrighty, y'all. So you saw other stuff going on, but right here, they got the sewer dug up. You know, we got to get the piping from the house all the way to the road, which connects over here And then there's that, so you can kind of tell that's where the sewer connects. But everything here was just dug out. You get all the piping in. You got to put some gravel underneath it so the pipes have something to sit on and they don't like start bending once you put the dirt back on it. But it's looking darn good out here. My dad's out there in the back somewhere doing something on bobcats. Let me go find him real quick. All right, y'all, I'm here with the owner of the house, Mr. Nikolai Timoshuk Sr. Tell me, sir, how excited are you with the progress of the house here?
Progress go a little bit slowly, how I can plan.
Okay.
I plan it this we go a little bit faster, just going like this.
Okay.
That's okay. And I'm very happy with this one, what we have now.
All right, you doing a lot of work out here by yourself?
Oh boy, I do lots of work.
All right, well, it's looking great. We can't wait for the house to be done for you.
Soon.
Yes.
I hope soon.
It will be soon. Keep working hard, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
All right, y'all, so the painters came in here. They primered everything. Looking real good. They got all the doors getting sprayed right there. So as you can see, everything taped off. All the plastic in there. It's looking darn good. This room right here is going to be absolutely beautiful. Look at this. The wood beams. Oh, yeah, of course. Nice colors in here. This is real nice. This is the primer stage. And then they're going to put down that coat of paint next week. No, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. A lot of work here. Then all this gets tile, and this is going to be real nice. And this is going to end off this part of the video. And then once more work gets done, I'll be back to talk to you. Alrighty, y'all, hope you're enjoying this part of the process. My dad's dream house is coming right along. We're excited about it. He's excited about it. And we can't wait to finish this house. So I'm so glad that y'all have been stuck through this entire process. I don't even know what video number this is while I'm making this. But thank you so much for sticking along. I can't wait to get stuff moving. We're going to get more work done, and I'll keep filming so you guys can keep watching the process as it goes. But my dad's super excited, as you saw me do the interview with him. It's moving a little bit slower. He's doing a lot of the work himself out here. But it's going to look so good when it's finally done. However, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at NicoTJR. Check out shopbacktolife.com if you want to grab you some Back to Life merch. And without further ado, my Back to Life family, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.